Hello everyone. Are your iPhone calls dropping mysteriously or looking you staring at the dreaded call ending screen? Well, after the iOS 18 update, everyone is facing this issue. But don't worry. I am here with you with 4 effective and simple techniques to make your iPhone calls work smoothly. So let's dive in. The first solution is to activate calling line. Simply activate your calling line for better performance. For that, you need to open your dial pad. After opening your dialer, just type *#31# and then hit the call button. And you will see a configuration message that the setting has been updated. Solution number 2 is to enable and disable airplane mode. One of the simple and effective way for ending the call ending issue is to enable or disable your airplane mode. It might sound very simple, but it works like a charm. So for that, just swipe down from the right corner of your screen to open the control center. Tap the airplane mode to enable it. Wait for 20 seconds and just tap the airplane mode on. Solution number 3 is to set the most compatible network. If the above 2 steps didn't work out for you, now it's time to set the most compatible network of your area. For that, just go to Settings, tap on Mobile Services or Cellular, scroll down to Network Solution, turn off Automatic option and choose your network manually. Now, go back to the mobile data settings, go to Mobile Data Options, Voice and Data, and manually pick the best network, 5G, Auto 4G, whatever is best for you. Oh, and don't forget to enable Volt under Voice and Data for crystal clear call quality. Solution number 4 is to try the eject and insert SIM card trick. Remove your SIM card using a SIM ejector tool. Then next, wait for 30 seconds. After that, pop in and see the magic happen. Here's a bonus tip for you. Always restart your phone after inserting the SIM card. Sometimes this simple restart can do wonders for you. The next solution is to reset your network settings. If all these solutions are not working out for you, it's time to reset your network settings. And for resetting them, you have to follow these simple steps. Go to Settings, then General, and then click upon Transfer or Reset iPhone. After that, just tap on Reset, choose the Reset Network Settings and enter your password. This will clear all your misconfigurations and give your iPhone a fresh start. If you still face any issue, do comment in the comment section. If this video was helpful for you, do like, share and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks, and I will see you in the next one.